What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now you're watching this video because you're searching for the best GOAT promo codes and discount codes in 2024. I've managed to find a couple of GOAT discount codes. This is the GOAT app, so you can purchase sneakers and clothing and what have you. But I've managed to find some promo codes that are going to save you at least $100. You can even save more with a 50% off your next order code. So this is going to guarantee to save a lot of people a lot of money. So let's get into it, guys. You need to use your mobile phone and visit the website I'm going to be showing you here. www.wavycoupons.com. So go to Wavy Coupons, and this website has tons of different pages ranging from game codes to, of course, discount codes. So go to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in GOAT. And you're looking for the GOAT coupons and deals, and you can see it says grab a $100 coupon code. So click on this page and scroll down. Now these coupons are limited, so you've got to get on this while they're still available. And you can see you can get a $100 GOAT promo code or a 50% off your next order code. Both are going to save you a bunch of money. If you're going to do a large order, the 50% off could save you even more than $100. So yeah, just do a bit of calculating there, guys. So click on show coupons. So I'm going to go for the 50% off. And you can see you need to unlock your promo code. Obviously, these codes are desirable, and people actually create bots to take all of the available codes to make some money. So this prevents that. So you need to unlock your personal and exclusive GOAT discount code. So to do that, you tap unlock code. I'm not going to run through the entire process because I've already done this loads of times, but you're going to see a new screen appear in a few seconds once you click that, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. You need to just complete a couple of free tasks to verify you are a real person. It takes about 5 minutes. Once you've fully completed all of the instructions, it will reveal the full code that you can literally enter in the basket on the GOAT app or website, and it's going to remove the cost, so $100 or 50%. So go to wavycoupons.com, search for the GOAT page, select your promo code, verify yourself, and enjoy some big savings. Smash that like button if you got your discount code, and let me know what you want to see next. I'm always willing to make brand new videos like this. So yeah, enjoy, guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.